I have removed the shine from the nails previously, and I'm going to apply a natural base. My nails are so flat, and this is how I can achieve the apex. Do the same all over on the rest of your nails. Support your dominant hand with your pinky finger, and then you can put the product exactly where you want. Brush off the excess powder after every layer. I have chosen Magical and Tipology to do an ombre. You need a makeup brush to sprinkle the powder on them. Apply the base gel full of your nail surface and be careful, don't touch the skin around your nail. I'm starting with the darker color from the cuticle. Just sprinkle bluntly. About half of the nail. And then top it, and then deepen the lighter color. I'm gonna do this method in 3 layers. Apply plenty of them around the cuticle and try to fade it to middle of your nail. Chop it off and dip into the yellow powder. You have to have some practice to do an ombre, but not difficult to do it. I am doing 2 more layers on them. powders are extra fine and they dry so quickly after dipping. You don't even have to book them before activator if you apply them nicely. This is the time to apply activator. After this you have to wait a minute to dry it completely. Apply the first layer of top coat. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you finish with the first layer, you can apply the second one. You can spend more time on them to make them perfect. Wait a minute to make them dry completely, and that's it. This is the result. They are extra shiny.